Hi friends, let me show you these pee pads for dogs. They are reusable, okay? So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 are like beige and 2 are more gray, okay? They have these in the down part, like plastic points. It will help them not to grip to the floor so they don't move, okay? And you can use them to protect your furniture, to, well, to train your pets, or to put them in the car when you are taking them with you. They are machine washables, so they are great. You just put them in the washing machine and that's it, okay? Let me show you. I have 3 pets here, so we really need things like this. Let's use them. Milo will be happy to be here, and my furniture can be more protected, okay? You could even use them to put their feeding bowls in top of them. Whatever you think you want to protect or to keep clean, these pads can help you. Choco. This is Choco also, and he's getting to know the pads. Oh, súbete. Mira. Let's try it with the feeding bowls, okay? Also could use it to put the feeding bowls here. So whatever they, well, all the mess they do when they eat, you can get the pad and put it in the washing machine so it will be clean easily, okay?